Hello, Chiban here. In this video, I'll show you how to find the absolute change and relative changes. Notice that absolute changes is how much changes from final value to initial value, but relative changes is how much changes in percentage. Look at the formula here. There's two different formula, one for absolute changes and other one is relative changes. So to find those changes, you got to find the final value and the initial value. You need the two quantity here, final value and initial value. Okay. So in this question, what's the final value and what's the initial value? The average weight of the man in America was 172 in 1960. So 1960, that's the initial value. The weight is 172. I just said this is a pound, okay? And 2020, the average weight is going to be 201.5 pound. So how much changes? The final value minus initial value. This is the final, and this is the initial. So to find the absolute changes, the first one we have to do 172 subtracted from 201.5. Okay, so this absolute value of that, which gives you 29.5. So 29.5 absolute value is just 29.5. Okay, 29.5. So absolute change is going to be 29.5. So to find the relative changes, there is a formula. Absolute changes divided by initial value times 100%. So to find relative changes, let's do this formula. Absolute change is going to be 29.5 divided by initial value. The starting value is going to be weight into 1960, which is 172, times 100 as a percent in the answer. So if you use a calculator, you can type everything here. 29.5 divided by 172 times 100. This gives you 17.15 rounded to the nearest tenth of the percent, which is 1 decimal. It's going to be 17.2. So 17.2% is here. You don't have to type it. So the weight change is 29.5 pounds is same as saying change weight by 17.2%. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.